What's going on, everybody? Simon Says here, back with another video, and today we have another case review for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This time we have a case from PITAKA. Big shout out for PITAKA for sending this over to me for a review. This isn't a sponsored video, but they were very kind to send this out for me so I can review it for you guys. So if you've not heard of PITAKA, they make some very, very thin minimalist phone cases for not only the iPhones, but also for your more popular Android phones like your Samsung Galaxies. So this is the MagEZ case. They also do the Air case and the MagEZ Case Pro too. So let's get into the unboxing. So this is the MagEZ case, as I said, for this iPhone 12 Pro Max 6.7 inch. It's 100% genuine aramid fibre, 17 grams of lightness, so this is a very, very thin case, and light as well, 0.85 millimeters in thinness. It also has wireless charging, friendly as well, so you'll be able to charge this without any issues. Just on the back here, so this just gives you some information on the actual case itself. So thinness protective, bulletproof material, so this is aramid fibre which is used in bulletproof vests. It has a carbon fibre look and feel to it. There is metal plates embedded as well, so as you can see here they have two metal plates which allows you to connect to PITAKA's range of accessories. They've got in-car accessories, they've just released a slimline wallet, a bit like Apple's MagSafe wallet. Wireless charging friendly, so the magnets aren't going to affect any of the wireless charging. And as you can see on this one I have the black twirl, which is more like a black carbon fibre. They do various different colours and patterns as well. So really nice presentation from PITAKA. So let's get into it. I'm really keen to try this out because as much as I love not having a case on my phone, anytime I step out the house I have to put a case on my phone. I'm just too scared of dropping it and having to buy a whole new phone. So as you can see I'm currently rocking the official Apple MagSafe leather case in black, which is really nice. By the way, guys, this one is £45 on Amazon. The link is in the video description along with PITAKA's shop as well, so you can see what they have if you want to go check it out for yourself. For any of you that don't really want to rock a case, but you want something that's still going to protect your phone from maybe scratches and nicks, this could be the one for you because it's very, very thin and will almost feel like you're not having a case at all on your phone. So let's open up Alternative Tech Life and the PITAKA logo. And there we go. Wow, that was really, really nice on initial impressions. We've got some removal instructions here for you as well. So if you've got an iPhone, just telling you how to remove it. And if you've got a Samsung, a couple of instructions on how to remove it as well. So let's just get my phone out of the way for a couple of minutes and we'll have a look at this. So that's the case. Wow, that's very, very lightweight. That's mad. Let's move that to one side and just see what we get in the box. So we have a VIP treatment card. So it looks like that's to extend your warranty. We have a thank you card. We're grateful for your order. That's really, really nice. And then we just have some of their accessories as well. So like I said, they've got all sorts of cases for your iPhones or your Android. They have Apple Watch cases, iPad cases, watch bands, cases for your AirPods as well, and also they do some wireless chargers. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this, because I also have a video coming up on an accessory that will go really, really well with this particular case, so stay tuned for that in the future. So let's move that to one side. That's a really nice presentation from PITAKA, and there we go. What is PITAKA? I'll let you pause the video and have a read of that. That's just kind of their story, what they stand for, and some of the products that they do as well. So let's move that to one side and look at the case. And here it is. So this is a very, very nice case. As I said, it's made out of aramid fibre, and you can feel that. You can feel the texture. There's a nice, smooth texture to it. Almost feels like you can feel the weave in there. It's really, really nice. It's like a matte texture. You see down here we've got the PITAKA logo. So looking at the case itself, as you can see, that is super, super thin. So we have cutouts for your power button. Along the bottom it is fully exposed, so no issues with accessories. Running along the other side, again, cutouts for your volume and mute switch, but again it's fully exposed. And then at the top as well, there's going to be a cutout at the top. What I do really like about this is they've still managed to incorporate a lip for your camera, so you've got a nice camera ring going around there as well. And then on the inside, compatible with PITAKA magnetic mounts. So I can't believe they've even fitted some magnets in here, but they have. So with this you'll be able to use their range of accessories. They've got their new magnetic wallet, which is similar to MagSafe, and also they have some wireless chargers and in-car chargers as well. So really, really nice design as well. Very, very thin. I'm not too sure how this is going to hold up if you dropped your phone, but let's get the phone out of my case and put this on. Let me know in the comments if any of you have tried PITAKA's cases. I've always been really intrigued by them, but I've just never pulled the trigger. So here's my 12 Pro Max, and we'll put that in. That snaps in really well, and there we go. So as I said, you can see your buttons are fully exposed, so there's going to be no issues with using those buttons because there's nothing there covering them. At the top, as you can see again, the top is exposed. Going around, nice area for your ports. But that's the really cool thing as well. Even though it's really, really thin, you can see the camera is protected as well. So if you do lay it down, it's not going to damage your camera. In terms of lay on the table protection, there isn't any. I've got a screen protector on here, but even without the screen protector, there's going to be no lay on the table protection. So this is really a minimalist case. If you don't like wearing cases, but you want to protect your phone from maybe the odd scratch here and there, then this is going to be perfect for you. And it does feel like there's nothing on the phone. It's very, very lightweight, very thin. You can see that nice Pacific blue popping through. And yeah, you can see it's going to be a bit of a fingerprint magnet, but you'll be able to clean that off no problems. Yeah, really, really nice. What do you guys think about this? I really like it. Very minimalistic. I love the carbon fibre look. I think the blue really pops in there. And it's going to protect your phone from, the occasional scratch. If you drop this, I don't know how that's going to fare, to be honest. I'm pretty good with my phone in terms of dropping it. I rarely drop it. So this might actually work. Like I said, subscribe to the channel, be tuned into the channel, because I've got something coming up that will work really, really well with this. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care.